to Puppet Storytime with your host, moi, Newton. That's French for me. Hello. Today we are going to read a fun story called Mom, could you get our book? There we go. Oh, quite a glare. That's pretty good, Mom. Little Owl's Orange Scarf. Yes. Okay, thanks, Mom. Thank you. So I'm going to read the book. I'm going to be what's called the narrator, and Blue Sky and Holly will act out the parts. Blue Sky will play the part of Little Owl, and Holly will play the part of the Mother Owl. Okay, all right, see you inside the book. Bye! Little Owl's Orange Scarf by Tatyana Feeney. Little Owl lived with his mommy in a treehouse on the edge of City Park. He loved adding numbers, eating ice cream, and riding his scooter. He usually loved surprises, but he did not love his new scarf. It was itchy. It was too long. It was far too orange.
You need to wear your new scarf,
said Mommy.
It will keep you nice and warm.
Little Owl tried very hard to lose his scarf. Oh! But Mommy always found it.
You'll need to wear this scarf today,
said Mommy. It's your class visit to the zoo. Little Owl came home from the zoo with all sorts of stories. But Little Owl came home from the zoo without his scarf. Dun dun dun! Mommy called the zoo, but nobody had found Little Owl's scarf. Did you find the scarf? Never mind, she said.
We can make another scarf, and this time we'll do it together.
The yarn shop was more exciting than Little Owl expected. After a lot of hard work, Little Owl's scarf was finished. It was soft. It was just long enough. It wasn't orange.
Hey now!
Sam, stop it now. Come on.
Sorry.
Little Owl loved it. Especially on visits to the zoo.
The zoo!
Like my scarf, Mr. Bear?
Very nice.
The end.
The end!
The end. Thank you, Blue Sky and Holly and Sam for reading that book. That was fun. And to go with our book, we have our song. It's called Let's All Wear Our Scarves Today. I wrote it, and it goes to the tune of The Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round. And as you can see, I have my scarf on here. See there? It's very nice, huh? I think it's homemade. do you have a scarf at home that you could wear? Because the song is called Let's All Wear Our Scarves today, so let's all wear them. Let's wear our scarves, and we're going to march and run and jump and dance. Okay? Yeah, this is a movement song, so get ready to move! Let's all wear our scarves today. Let's all wear our scarves today. Let's all wear our scarves today, all around the room. Let's all march with scarves today. Let's all march with scarves today. Let's all march with scarves today, all around the room. Let's all run with scarves today. Let's all run with scarves today. Let's all run with scarves today, all around the room. Let's all jump with scarves today. Let's all jump with scarves today. Let's all jump with scarves today, all around the room. Let's all dance with scarves today. Let's all dance with scarves today. Let's all dance with scarves today, all around the room. La 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 la. Yeah, that was a fun song. Thanks for singing, Blue Sky. Oh, you're welcome, Newton. Thanks for letting me be Little Owl in the book today. It was fun. Yeah. Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. We hope you have a great rest of your week, and we will be back soon with a new book and a new song. Until then, we hope you have a very happy holiday. Stay safe and stay you. Stay you. Stay awesome. Bye, everyone. Bye. Maylee, stop crunching. We're trying to record our show. We're recording. Stop. Mom, the cat's eating and she's ruining my recording. Cut. Good job, Newton. Good job, Blue Sky. Cut.